Welcome back, guys, to a new video. This is probably the most requested video that I have at the moment. Is do a walk around the bike. So in this video I'm going to show you what is on the bike, what I did to it. First do a quick run around. And then I will explain what is done to the bike. So as you can see, I have a full titanium exhaust system on the bike. It's made from Awesome Racing, the RS22 slip-on version, and not the full system, but only the slip-on. I have a Spark Industry header system with the so-called silencer box on the other side. Evotech clear clutch. I made my own how do you call it, frame protector sticker. It's cut from a sheet of carbon fiber print material, and I cut it with a little knife, piece by piece, until it fits. So it took me 4 to 6 hours for both sides. So the side is done with Raptor paint. As you can hear, it has some kind of structure. How do you call it in English? It has some sort of texture. That's the word that I was looking for. And the tank is the same way. So as you can see closely, there's a texture on it. I have put on carbon fiber fairings. Let's see, I have Rizoma mirrors on this one. I did have the stealth mirrors, but I did change them to the round ones. I have front light, headlight protection cover that you can just pull off. And everybody asked me why I didn't permanently blinded them, and the reason is I can take this off whenever I need, and theoretically it is illegal. So, but if I can remove it, it is not illegal. So, KTM, carbon fiber, wind diffuser, whatever. I got Materia side wings. I got Puig or Puig, I don't know how you call it. The wings, I guess. Normally, there is some sort of plate on this, but you can see the bolts, but I didn't like the look of it, so I removed it, and this looks way much better. This is the silencer box that everybody is asking about. I'm not sure how they do it, but the harder you ride, the more the sound is going to be circulated in that box, and it works perfectly fine. Evotech frame sliders, god damn it, I have to get used to this camera. Evotech frame sliders, and I think that's it. That's all I've done on the bike, and made it fully black. So maybe some nice B-roll. Oh wait, I have the Evotech quad lock holder. It's fixed on the tank without the dampener, because you don't need the dampener, because it's fixated on the tank and not on the steering. You don't need a dampener. So I think that's it. Because all the other things, all the other carbon fiber parts, everything that's stock on this bike. This is the RR version for those that don't know. And the RR version, the only difference is the carbon fiber parts on it. The shock suspension. This version has the race suspension that is easy adjustable. The Gillis rear set. The carbon fiber, fully carbon fiber, how do you call it? Yeah, rear piece, whatever. and the air duct intakes on the front. I think that's the only difference between an R and an RR. But I fell in love with this bike when I had my Super Duke 2017 model. I saw this one and I had to get it. So after a couple months, I just purchased this, and it's been in my possession ever since. It has well, almost 10k kilometers. That is like 8,000 miles or something, 7,000. Not sure, but yeah, that's it for this video. And oh, I also want to talk about the giveaway. I'm not sure if you guys have seen my post, but I posted on my YouTube that because I hit 1,000 subscribers, I was wanted to give away a pair of gloves, because everybody is asking about my gloves. So why not give away a pair of gloves? To enter the giveaway, you need to be a member. This way I know that the gloves go to a real supporter and not just one random subscriber. It sounds harsh, but I don't mean it harsh, but I know if you become a member, you really support me in what I do. So that's why I put the giveaway on for members only. It's not much, just a couple of dollars, and you will be entered to win every month. So I'm gonna give away every month. I'm gonna give something away. This time it's a pair of gloves, and maybe next time it's something else. We have to see. I have to work it out perfectly. For now, I've just yeah. For now, it's just be a member, and you're automatically in to win the pair of gloves. And I think the value will be around maybe 100 euros or something. I don't mind. You guys, because of your views, because of your support, I'm earning a little bit right now. So why not giving it away back to the viewer? So that's my concise. So if you want to enter, again, become a member, and that's it, and then you are automatically entered. That's what I said a second ago. When I hit 50 members, the first pair of gloves will go out. And again, guys, it is extremely cold here in the Netherlands right now. It's like 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. It's almost freezing. With this bike, it's not a good idea to ride, because the rear tires is too compound. Yeah, it's already extremely hard, and I don't think it's warm enough to warm up the tires completely. So it's a little bit dangerous. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will post some older videos because I have a lot in the archive. And yeah, I will see you there, guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the support. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot to do a startup for you guys. It is cold, so I cannot rev it. I can do a soft rev, but... Whoop. Okay. Yeah, it's been in the garage for a couple weeks now, so I haven't driven it. Is that that's a lot of smoke. Oh, okay. I have to figure that out. I'm not sure if that's okay, but it seems like it's condensation inside the exhaust. So, okay, again, guys, bye bye. Okay, I have checked real quick, and it was water. So Just a quick update. I think because it's I've sit so long in the garage, the temperature is like, the whole bike was like 2 to 3 degrees, and then it hits with a high temperature, you get condensation, and that's what you were seeing. So just for those that were worrying that the bike may explode or something, it was just water. Thank you!